What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video is all about the RayBan Meta glasses. Now, these are not perfect in any which way of the word. Sometimes they have little issues, and if you've had a phone or a computer for the past 30 years, you know that sometimes they just bug out. They don't act normal, and you're like, what is wrong with this dang thing? And you don't know what to do. And ultimately, what a lot of people do, especially tech support, it's even a joke with people, is they end up telling you to just restart them. Well, you can do that with the RayBan Metas. You can do a force restart, but you don't need to do that. This will be a much easier fix to do than anything else. So if you're having any kind of issue, this is the first thing I would try. It's not going to work for everything, but it's going to work for a lot of like stupid, like weird, annoying bugs. Maybe your music's not connecting, or you're playing music and it's not working through your glasses, or maybe you're taking a phone call and you can't hear the other person, or it's not connecting your glasses to your phone, or vice versa, or stuff along those lines. All you're going to end up doing is take your glasses off. You can keep them on if you want. Push this button so that it is red and green. So you'll see if it's off, it'll be red here. Otherwise, you're going to push it to the other way so you can see a little green line. There's a little button right here and here, the little slider that you'll turn on and off. And just turn them off for a few seconds and then turn them right back on. And that will fix a lot of your issues. It's not going to fix every single issue. I'm not saying it will. It'll fix like the stupid little buggy things that sometimes the glasses do need to be quickly restarted. And this does it. Turns them completely off, turns the power off to them, and then you just flick it back and it'll turn them right back on. The only other bug that I get occasionally, which I haven't been getting, and I've done a video on this, is if you get the one where it says like no contacts found. Super easy fix. You just go into your Meta AI app, tap your glasses at the bottom right, and then hit the gear in the top right next to your glasses. And then where it says communication, just disconnect one of these calling, messaging, sharing apps. That would be WhatsApp, Messenger phone, Instagram, or Facebook. Click into one of them, scroll to the bottom, choose disconnect, and then just reconnect it. And that usually fixes that issue. But ultimately, the other thing, again, just turning these off and on is going to be a big fix for you and a big help for you. Again, nothing crazy new, just something to quickly try before you perceive the worst. So let me know if you have problems outside of that. Let me know. I'll either reply back with a video that I've made about it already, or maybe it'll be a chance for me to make a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.